Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and Happy New Year! Welcome to 2022, and it's a rainy day here, so we're gonna put this motor in. And I gotta move kind of quick because my lift, she's leaking some oil, so we gotta get this little small block back in its place as quick as possible. So, yeah, I'm working on my own today, no big deal. But you can see we'll just push this in here. Try to line her up as best we can. There we go. Pretty close. You know, one thing I like about using this pivot is that it seems like the engine doesn't want to twist as much. It pretty much stays where it's at. I know when I use the 4-prong thing, you know, it kind of tends to twist the way you don't want it. So hopefully this should drop down in there pretty quick. Now I got to push in a little more, but we'll get it a little closer. Yeah. Putting the tire here. Get this. There we go. Past the tire. Take your time when you're doing this. Went ahead and put, you can see the wiring harness on here. It's the new engine wiring harness from AutoWire. And I went ahead and put that on just because it's easier to get to the starter and connect it up while it's still on the stand here. Let me move some hoses out of the way here. This accelerator cable wants to get in the way. Looks like she's headed in the right direction. Steering pump. All right, gotta lift the car up because the lift is hitting on the A-arm just a tad. Well, all right, there you go. She's down in there. Sorry, my camera fell off of the stand kind of halfway through this, and I didn't bother to put it back up. There was a lot of finagling around and jockeying around, and we still got a few more bolts and obviously a lot more things to put in, radiator and a fan and all that good stuff. So we are going to call it a New Year's night. And the furnace just kicked off, so it's a good time to go in. And we will see who won the book here. Got the book sitting here. We'll see who won the book. All right, let's go take a look. Hey, it was a tough day out in the shop today, getting that motor in there. A lot of pushing and moving and shoving and all sorts of finagling to get that in there. But anyway, we got it in there, and then now we got a lot of work to hook up all the accessories and whatnot, but we'll keep that going, and we'll have that thing started up in no time again. But I wanted to congratulate Hoffer 15 for winning the 1970 Chevelle book. And if you send me your email or address and stuff through the email, I'll get that book in the mail to you as soon as possible. All right, so thanks for entering my drawing. Hope you enjoyed taking this motor out, cleaning it up, putting new seals on it, and putting it back in. And we'll finish this up over the next few weeks. See ya! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.